fantastic. So I'm very happy to talk for a few minutes. Just as a background, I'm originally from Ireland. I trained as an oncologist there. I came to the US to work at the National Cancer Institute, and I got really interested in research there, and decided that I wanted to focus on lymphoma research and also see patients as well. And I just kind of emphasize to you how important research is in what we do. In the US, lymphoma is it's about the 5th most common type of cancer. It's a very treatable cancer, I can't tell you how much it has changed over the last 10 years because of research. There really has been huge progress, and I see that on a daily basis with my patients, and often tell them, look, if you were here 5 years ago or 10 years ago or 15 years ago, we wouldn't be having this kind of conversation that we're going to cure you, and you can live now for 30 years because of research and because of partnering with companies, etc. So it's really hugely important, and I just can't emphasize that enough. So as part, I work with the Lymphoma Research Foundation. I'm on their scientific advisory board. There are 45 of us who are lymphoma experts from the US and Canada, and a few times a year we sit around the table with them and spend hours and hours trying to help them as best we can to figure out what are the most important places to fund, to put their money towards, to really make a difference in lymphoma. And the organization particularly has an interest in mentoring young lymphoma investigators, so researchers who are in the lab, who are in the clinic, who are doing clinical trials, and make sure that they're supported, that their ideas are supported, and that at the end of the day, those ideas can really translate into huge differences for patients. Having talked to Lindsay, I've now met her a few times, and she's just an amazing person to head her organization. She has met with all the key members of the Lymphoma Research Foundation. I mean, they're a world-renowned organization. They know exactly how to do this, but I think that for you moving forward, as I said, you're exactly the right person to drive your own initiatives with their partnership, and you can really make a big difference because being around the table with these people, and you already understand a lot of what they do and what you really want to do, and how you can make a huge difference in memory of your husband, and I think that's really amazing. So, I would really encourage you to support Lindsay and to support her foundation. I think it's going to make a huge impact and a huge difference, but it's going to require a lot of support from people in all kinds of ways. So I wish you all the best, and again, thank you for inviting me here.